Fire Hydrant Systems, your first line of defense against fire. Fire emergencies strike without warning, but being prepared can make all the difference. At iLux Technical Services, we design and install fire hydrant systems that act as your first line of defense, protecting lives, property, and peace of mind. Key features of our fire hydrant systems include immediate water access to control fire in the early stages, reliable flow and pressure for all building types, manual and automatic operation options. We specialize in complete end-to-end systems that cater to various property types. Our services protect properties of every scale, including industries, commercial complexes, malls, residential towers, and institutions. Your safety is engineered to perfection. Don't wait for a disaster to plan for one. Be prepared, be protected. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, call iLux Technical Services today, 865-597-6646, or visit www.iluxdsbl.com.